The travel industry is in full swing in terms of its optimism, and Emirates is banking on that and also believes that by 2023 they will be operating at 100% of the capacity in terms of operations. To understand this a little bit more, we're joined by their Chief Commercial Officer, Mr. Adnan Kazim. Thank you for joining us. Seeing this optimism, we saw a very busy Eid al-Fitr period. Are we upbeat about 2022?
The roadmap is very clear. Today, we're almost at 70% of the recovery path. This will be increased to 80% by end of summer, and by winter we're moving towards 85%. So yes, it's a clear journey. We're seeing the demand is shaping up quite nicely and healthy. What we have seen during Eid time, we almost got close to 80% in terms of the seat factor.
2022 was started off with the current situation that we see as well between Ukraine and Russia. Were we nervous, or are we nervous about the situation?
Many things are changing at us quite drastically, whether that to do with the oil prices, whether to do with Ukraine, whether to do with it. We haven't seen effect of the Russia-Ukraine war on our business so far. Things are moving. We have been affected by the effect of that because of the fuel price that gone up to a level which is quite high.
Oil prices, coming to that. To what extent are we going to let the passengers or the customers face the brunt of it? Are we going to have some newer strategies to absorb the prices a little bit to support the travel?
For us, the oil price always remain as the core expenses of the company. And today, almost 30% of the total expenses of the company is sitting in the oil that we pay for. Whether we go and pass that into the consumer, no, we're not doing that. We're trying to observe as much as we can in terms of the costing into our own shoulder. But we hope if things will come down in the near future, that fuel surcharge thing that we came in with definitely will go away or will be reduced as we see the fuel pressure is coming down on us. If the fuel set anything between $50 to $60 to $70 is something we can manage it.
Now, looking at your commercial side of things, we see a big investment in retrofitting. How many aircraft are we going to see that will contain premium economy now?
Commencing from 1 August 2022 with 6 380s. The configuration of the 380 aircraft will be 56 seats per aircraft. We'll be taking care of 120 aircraft starting from November 22. For a period of 18 months, we'll be retrofitting 67 380s and 53 or 54 of the 777.
Well, Mr. Adnan Kazim, we wish you all the very best, and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.